Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Brave Teach. Guys, today I will tell you how to use COUNTIFS formula in Excel. First, first let's know what does do COUNTIFS formula. COUNTIFS formula is used to count the number of cells across multiple range. That means multiple specified criteria or condition. It is an extension of COUNTIFS formula which is only allows one range and one criteria. So let's see through the practical example. Here you can see I have a data sheet like this. In the project, in the column A project, in the column B task ID, in the column C assigned to, in the column D status, in the column E due date. Now suppose I want to check here how many tasks are assigned to Eli's status in progress. Let's how it works. So click in any of the cell. And then type is equal to COUNTIFS. And then open bracket. You can see here is a formula showing first saying criteria range 1. So we are looking Eli's status in progress. So Eli's name in this column we have. So I will select the range from here to here like this, and then type comma and then give space. Now saying criteria 1. When it's asking in the selected range 1, in which name you are looking. So we are looking Eli's name for status in progress. So I will type here Eli in the double quotation. Like this, and then type again comma and then give one space. Now saying criteria range 1. So we are looking Eli's status. So status column we have in this column. So I will select a range from here to here and then type comma and then give one space. Now saying in the criteria range 2, in which status are you looking? So I am looking status in progress. So I will type the status. So I will type the in progress in the double quotation. Like this, and then close the bracket and then press enter button. You can see result is 3. Now let's see true or not. Let's count it. So first you can see here Eli's in progress 1, second Eli's in progress 2, third one is Eli's in progress, and total is means total is 3. Now let's see through the another example. Now I want to see the project alpha status is not started. So let's see through the formula. Type is equal to COUNTIFS and then open bracket. Now saying criteria range 1. So we are looking project alpha status is not started. So project alpha name we have in this column. So I will select range from here to here like this, and then type comma and then give one space. Now saying criteria 1 means it's saying in the selected range, in the selected range 1, in which name you are looking for the status not started. So I will type here not started in the double quotation. And then close bracket and then press enter button. Here you can see the result is true. It is true or not, let's see, count it. So first project alpha here is not started, 1, and the second one here project alpha status is not started. Guys, please subscribe my channel Break Teach if you are still watching now.